hace su olodo, cae, cae, cae. Yemayay olodo, cae, cae, cae. Hace su olodo. La dio que, 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 la dio que.
I'm really interested in how you're gonna do this tonight. Like part of plum. Like when I went to the store and had to buy that, I was like, okay, how are we gonna get it?
Yes.
Okay, so I got this, the tacos, and then I have almond milk. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay. And then what else am I supposed to have again?
Okay, you're supposed to have. We're making our own chipotle sauce, but if you have your own sauce for your tacos, that's fine. I'm making my own pico de gallo. So tomatoes, onions, cilantro. Yes. Did you get Chipotle?
No.
That's okay.
Sorry.
That's okay. Rinse them, yes. Drain and rinse them.
Drain and all of them?
All of them, and then you can just set them aside. So I use about 2 for 1 person.
Okay.
About 2 for 1 person.
All right, here we go. Put them in there. There you go. There you go. Okay. Now I'm gonna cut these. All right.
Yes, cut them up. Cut them up.
All right.
So I got my unsweet almond milk.
Okay, almond milk. Boom. Ready.
So we're gonna start with the seasoning, okay? Now we're making our wet batter, all right?
Okay. Oh, that's the fry. Okay. Fish fry, y'all.
Energy does transfer. So when you're eating things that are suffering, you're suffering too.
Yep. I feel that.
So,
I remember before, I used to eat lamb because I like lamb. I used to curry some Indian, like an Indian curry lamb. It was so good, girl. Let me tell you. But I used to eat it, and every time I cooked it, my dog would go crazy in the house. Every time I cooked it, and it was just a lamb. Her head and look at me like,
hi everybody.
Hi, honey. How are you? Peace and blessings.
Okay, as your mind changes, your habits are going to change. Number 2, before you take away, add. Before you just stop eating meat, add something else that's going to replace that meat eventually. For me, I started adding vegetables before I even raw one. I only really ate seafood. I was really a seafood head.
Okay, he's the king. Okay, that's the prince over there. Okay, y'all, let me open this up.
He could be in this little segment.
Oh, my cutie! Y'all, she sends me videos of him randomly, and I swear to you, it's like every time she sends that video, I would have been having a stressful day or been depressed or something, and then I look at my phone, and it's my little baby, and I'm like, yes!
I'm glad. I'm grateful.
I'm throwing some hot sauce up in there.
Hey, throw that hot sauce up in there.
Okay, here we go.
Get funky, get fresh.
Yes. All right. And you know what? I didn't put no salt. There we go. There we go.
You say you always try to cut your fingers off.
Yes.
You put that knife. See, that's exactly why I don't like cutting on camera.
Did you cut yourself?
No. But I cut in a way that people might be nervous.
Okay, yeah, because I be cutting myself, girl, every time.
Listen, I have a story for you. My husband had an avocado in his hand, like this. And he was trying to get the seed out, and he went like this. Okay? It went completely.
You didn't see it.
Like I said, check his birth chart. It's there. We will fuck up the hand.
I feel hot in this kitchen too, you guys. Like, is that how it feels when you come in the kitchen? It's just like hot? Because it feels like that right now. I don't like that.
And I got my deep fryer on early.
Oh, I don't have. Oh, do I need to heat up my oil? Because I haven't done that yet.
Not quite. In a second, you can heat it up. They're not always even in the ingredients, but they use a lot of chemicals when they process things. Even if they say organic. Even if they say organic on them.
Okay.
They'll have things like methylcellulose, which is like it kills your cells. Literally kills your cells. And your DNA. Hacks your DNA. Okay? DNA is your life. Okay?
Right. That's my code.
That's your
So far, then what we do is we call it the ITAL cooking. So ITAL cooking, you don't cook on a stove, right? You go outside, you light like a fire.
I'm looking forward to it, and I'm not looking forward to it.
True. How was I supposed to cut them?
Strips.
Okay. Okay, right, while it's still hot, okay. Let me start putting stuff back. I have this issue, you guys, like I have to clean as I cook. Hi, baby!
And we're using heart of palm. Yeah. Just fried up our heart of palm with fish batter to give it that fishy taste.
Where are the taco shells? Okay, Ricky is heating up my things.
Dry cook until they're crispy.
No, not to the crispy. Just heat them up. That's all. You just heating them up. That's it. Okay. Cook for us. All right, we back.
Welcome, welcome.
So, vegan.
Creole. I love putting Creole on my avocado.
I don't think I had that seasoning before. I need to get that.
It's my favorite thing.
Okay. So, okay, I put the cabbage in first, right? And then what do I put?
The fish,
Okay.
the heart of palm.
Okay. Just a little taste. That's it.
There's your salsa, your mayo sauce as well.
Do I put that
Bumble
before?
bread. I've
So
got
what
my,
her?
I'm gonna take my little meat down.
This is so good, guys. I'm so excited.
I'm gonna see what I'm. Look at this.
Oh, yeah. Mine don't look like that. It look good, though. Wow. Wow, that looks beautiful, guys. Don't that look good?
Man, listen. I'm about to have my brother's. Hey, they love the sauce. They always love the sauce.
Ooh, look. Yeah, see? This is, okay, I'm excited.
It's hard to bite the heart. You gotta keep y'all on the edge of your seats right now. That's it.
So how do we know when it's dropped? Like, how are we going to know? Like,
Oh, we are gonna post all about it. Y'all gonna know. Because y'all gonna see posts everywhere.
Okay.
We will post about it. It's gonna be on our wall or stories, and you'll be able to have the link to it as well. We have all kinds of recipes for y'all, and this is just the beginning. Okay. Don't fret if you don't see the recipe you want in there because we got more cookbooks coming.
Okay.
Okay.
So,
Amazon.
And you said that you was gonna go live. Oh, it's gonna be on Amazon. Okay, perfect.
Yeah.
So it's probably be in her bio, you guys. When she gets it up and when she gets it ready for you guys, it should be in the bio. What happened to my filter? Oh, okay. So what happened? So you're gonna come on live and cook for us though again, though, right?
Man, I'm doing this as much as possible because I actually love cooking with y'all. It's actually really fun cooking with you guys. So someone said, can I pay you to come cook my first meal?
That's what I'm right.
Thank everybody for joining us, and I'm glad you guys liked it. I really am, and I can't wait to do this again.
Yes, thanks for watching, guys. I know it's a little long today, but we'll be back next Wednesday for Tea and Tree. And Queen Irene's information is right in the comments.
If you got any
So
questions,
take care.
Nasi Penda.
Thank you. I say bye.
Some ghetto bitches, speaking in tongue bitches, fall on the floor, that's H on the floor. Some ghetto bitches, speaking in tongue bitches.